Real estate strategies create short-term and long-term wealth. I want you guys creating fast cash, wholesaling and wholetailing. Now remember, just because we're in a recessionary downturn, our rules have not changed. We still do not buy and hold property until we have $250,000 in cash, or you can structure deals just like the one I showed you where John carried the financing and then we carried the financing, okay? This is called a subject to agreement or a subservicing agreement, okay? From there, we get the big cash, the fix and flips, and then that produces the mailbox cash. This is where we have that monthly income coming in. Now, in that one tiny little house, you guys, we produce $619 a month every single month. Now, that's roughly $7,200 a month. If you make $80,000 a year, guess what? We just beat inflation. Inflation's 9.1%. Who cares if fuel is $6? Because you got an extra $619 a month coming in. If we could do it once, can we do it twice? Probably, okay? So here is the circle of wealth process. Step number one, please write this down. Step one, you are going to find the deal. You're going to use our proprietary software of Dealio.pro and Cenfuse. You will then market and write offers on the deals exactly as I show you to do them. You will use Cenfuse to make the offer. You'll put some financial teeth in it and back it up with a proof of funds letter from Coco Capital. You'll secure the deal with no money down using our subject to or our seller financing strategy. That's the 3-tiered offer that I just got done showing you guys. You will make fees in the middle because guys, if you don't want that deal, guess what? If you found that deal right here in Spokane, in fact, some of you, if you're really smart, you're skip tracing right now the owner of that property and you're getting him on the phone and you're negotiating a deal with him that you're going to wholesale to me. That would be the smart play. But you can do that all over the country, okay? You guys can make broker fees finding these deals and then wholesaling them to other investors like me. I will pay you handsomely to bring me deals that are structured just like that one, okay? So what this allows you to do is to make fees as a certified broker and make huge fees brokering and financing on your own deals. And you make the additional 2 times the profits on all of your projects. And that's how we hit that first goal of $250,000, okay? Now, as you build up your portfolio of real estate, you broker your deals, you build up your cash, you build up your reserves, you get to that $250,000 goal, then we begin building out our portfolio, okay? We're gonna take advantage of the market, of the buy and the hold, the cash flow for long-term wealth by becoming a certified cash flow specialist. So there's 4 things I want you guys to write down right now, okay? I'm gonna make this real simple. Dealio.pro, please write it down, okay? You need 4 things. Dealio.pro, you need Cenfuse, okay? You need to become a certified broker, and you need to become a certified cash flow specialist. Now, some of you are already all of those things. Great. Hopefully for you, this will be motivation to get out there and start hitting it hard. For others of you, you aren't yet, but you're about to be, okay?